Motor Vehicle Act has been notified in Goa, by which we are going to impose stiffer fines. We are going to adopt the new Motor Vehicle Act, which was long overdue. I want to simply say here that the government is going to issue a corrigendum whereby the new Motor Vehicle Act will be implemented from 1st of May, not the 16th of April. And this intervening period from day after tomorrow, we are going to use to bring about an awareness about the implementation of the new Motor Vehicle Act, wherein all the ADTs are going to be instructed to hold programs in their respective jurisdiction, whether it is the general public, whether it is the college students, whether it is youth, to educate them on not breaking the traffic rules. The simple narrative is going to be: you don't break the law, you don't break the traffic rule, there is no question of paying fine. You will pay fine only if you break the law and break the rules which are mandated by the new Motor Vehicle Act. So to start with, on Wednesday, that is day after tomorrow, I am going to have a presentation done for the members of the press, wherein they are also aware, to in turn to educate the public what this new Motor Vehicle Act implementation means, how it is going to rather help to bring about safety of the general public on the roads, how it is going to bring discipline which is lacking on our Goan roads. We had delayed the implementation because the repair of roads was not taking up in due earnest by the government because of various factors, because of the pandemic, before that heavy rains and all that. Now that the repair of the roads in all over Goa, as the Honorable Chief Minister announced, is being undertaken on a war footing, is being undertaken as to improve the roads in entire Goa. We have to implement this long overdue Motor Vehicle Act, and we are going to finally see that it is applicable from the 1st of May. Even though the notification has been it has been notified as 16th April. Why it was notified as 16th April? Because we had to give a date. There was a Supreme Court appointed safety committee, wherein honorable judges of the Supreme Court and the High Court are members on this committee. When they took stock of the situation in Goa, they said Goa is doing fairly well as far as transportation is concerned, as far as things happening in the transport department. They pulled us up only for one thing: non-implementation of the new Motor Vehicle Act. So now this also is going to be laid at rest. From the 1st of May, we are going to implement the new Motor Vehicle Act. 16th of April, though it was said earlier, we are not in a position to do it, because I believe that the public has to be made fully aware of this new Motor Vehicle Act. Though enough has been written, enough has been said, we believe in educating the people, we believe in going to the people, explaining to them, and then they know what is the new Motor Vehicle Act, how much they will be fined if they cross the red signal, if they don't have a driving license, what is the penalty they will have to face, if they don't wear a crash helmet, what is the penalty they will have to face. All this will be there in a presentation to all you people, the members of the press, on Wednesday and day after tomorrow. And after that happens, all the ADTs in entire Goa are going to organize special programs so that the whole of Goa is covered, whole of Goa is aware as to what is the new Motor Vehicle Act.